Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to move one board from one account to another account in Monday.com. So if you're working on a board here on Monday.com and you feel the need to move it to another account, just follow this video and follow the steps that I'm going to do. And by the end of this video, you'll completely know how to do it. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to log into Monday.com. And once when you do it, you can see you'll be redirected to this home page. And there are the boards right here and right here as well. So if I want to move the board, what do I need to do? So let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is we have to create a new folder because that's how we will be able to do it. So let's name this folder as Papa, just for the sake of an example. So this is the board. And now what do we need to do? In order to move a board, we need to go here. Wait a second. Now, for example, this is the board. Let's select a board first. For example, this board, we need to move it, or let's just use this one. We have to go here, move to folder, and then here in this folder, we need to move it. So the board is here in this folder. Then what do we need to do? We need to click on our icon. Then we have to go to administration, and here cross account copier. So here we need to select the board that we want to move. That's one. And then we need to write the username or the email of the account. But you need to make sure one thing, that you must be an admin in both of these accounts. That's the only way you can do it. I mean, this is a very important prerequisite that you need to follow, and you'll be good to go. So this was very simple and pretty self-explanatory. So I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll definitely see you in the upcoming ones.